Welcome to today's class. Today we will discuss some MCQs based on chapter Reproduction in Lower and Higher Animals. So, question number 1, that is MCQ number 1, which is displayed on your screen, is ovulation in the human female normally takes place during the menstrual cycle. So these are the four options. So out of these four options, the first option is at the mind secretory phase, B just before the end of secretory phase, C at the beginning of proliferative phase, and D at the end of proliferative phase. So correct answer is D, because when proliferative phase ends, then ovulatory phase start. So at the end of proliferative phase, ovulation in the human female normally takes place during menstrual cycle. So correct option is D. Question number 2. After ovulation, Graafian follicle regresses into option A, corpus atresia, B, corpus callosum, C, corpus luteum, D, corpus albicans. So after ovulation, empty Graafian follicle will convert into an endocrine structure, and that endocrine structure is called as corpus luteum, which secretes two hormones, progesterone and estrogen. So the correct option is C, corpus luteum. See, B option, that is corpus callosum, it is present in the cerebrum, and corpus callosum is the nervous tissue which connect two cerebral hemispheres. Corpus, and the option is corpus albicans. When corpus luteum degenerate, it will form corpus albicans. So this is wrong answer, and correct answer is corpus luteum. Next question. Question number 3. Immediately after ovulation, the mammalian egg is covered by membrane known as. There are four options. Option A is chorion, option B zona pellucida, option C corona radiata, option D white line membrane. So the correct answer is C, corona radiata. So chorion, it is an extra embryonic membrane, and extra embryonic membrane, it is formed after fertilization, after embryonic development. Zona pellucida is already present in the mammalian egg, and white line membrane, it is a egg membrane. So when Graafian follicle rupture and secondary oocyte released from Graafian follicle, it is covered by some follicular cells, that is corona radiata. So correct option is corona radiata. So the next question, question number 4. Which of the following events is correctly matched with the time period in a normal menstrual cycle? So option A is release of egg 5th day. It is wrong, because release of egg takes place at 14th day of cycle. Endometrium regenerates 5 to 10 days. So this is correct option, because after bleeding phase, proliferative phase starts on the 5th day of cycle, and proliferation of endometrium, regeneration of endometrium takes place from the 5th day of cycle, and it is correct option. So it is continue from 5th day of cycle to the end of menstrual cycle. So that this option is correct. C option, endometrium secretes nutrients for implantation 11 to 18th day. This is wrong because implantation takes place 7th day after fertilization. D option, the rise in progesterone level 1 to 15th day. This is also a wrong option. So next question number 5. If mammalian ovum fails to get fertilized, which one of the following is unlikely? Carpus luteum will disintegrate, progesterone secretion rapidly decline, estrogen secretion increases, and primary follicle start developing. When mammalian ovum fails to get fertilized, then estrogen secretion increases. So option C is correct, that is estrogen secretion increases. Question number 6. A human female reaches menopause around the age of, option is correct option is A, 50 years. Next question number 7. A reaction of granules content which harden the zona pellucida and ensures sure block of polyspermy is. That reaction is called as cortical reaction. So option B is correct, and that is called as cortical reaction. So the reaction of granules content which harden the zona pellucida and ensure sure block to polyspermy is cortical reaction. Question number 8. Which part of the sperm plays an important role in penetrating the egg membrane? Allosome, tail, acrosome, atosome. C option is atosome and D option is acrosome. So acrosome, which is a cap like structure on the head of a sperm, and acrosome secretes enzyme hyaluronidase. So that enzyme helps to dissolve the egg membrane. So option D is correct, that is acrosome. Next question is question 9. In oocyte, secondary maturation occurs in oocyte. Secondary maturation occurs in, option correct option is C, that is in fallopian tube. So second maturation division takes place in secondary oocyte when sperm enter inside the egg and it introduces centriole, and then second maturation division takes place in fallopian tube. Next question. Beside activating the egg, another role of sperm is to carry to egg. Correct option is DNA. So C. The sperm head enter inside the egg, and that head contain nucleus and which contain DNA. Question number 11. preparation of sperm before penetration of ovum is, that is called as spermiation. So preparation of preparation of sperm before penetration of ovum is spermiation. So correct option is A, spermiation. Next question, question number 12. Spermiation is the process of release of sperm from, the correct option is A, that is seminiferous tubule. So sperm release from seminiferous tubule. Next question, question number 13. Mature Graafian follicle is generally present in the ovary of healthy human around, A option is 5 to 8th day of menstrual cycle. It is wrong. B option is 11 to 17 days or day of menstrual cycle. C option is 18 to 23 day of menstrual cycle, and D option is 24 to 28 day of menstrual cycle. So at the 14th day of menstrual cycle, ovulation takes place, and before the day of ovulation, mature Graafian follicle is ready in the human female ovary. So option B is correct, and option B is 11 to 17 day of menstrual cycle. Next question, acrosomal reaction of the sperm occurs due to, option A, its contact with zona pellucida of the ova. B, reaction within the uterine environment of the female. C, reactions within the epididymal environment of the male. D, androgens produced in the uterus. So the option A is correct. Acrosomal reactions of the sperms occurs due to its contact with zona pellucida of the ovum. Next question, question number 15. Which one of the following is not male accessory gland? This is very simple question. See, seminal vesicle, it is a male accessory gland. Prostate, it is also male accessory gland. Bulbourethral gland, it is also male accessory gland. But ampulla is not the male accessory gland. So the correct option is B, and that is ampulla. Next question, question number 16. Which among the following has 23 chromosomes? Spermatogonia, zygote, secondary oocyte, and oogonia. Correct option is C, secondary oocyte, because rest of the stages have 46 chromosomes. Spermatogonia are diploid, zygote is also diploid, secondary oocyte is haploid because first meiotic division is completes in secondary oocyte. So secondary oocyte is haploid, oogonia are also diploid. So correct option is secondary oocyte. So here correct option is C, that is secondary oocyte. Next question, question number 17. Which of the following hormones is not secreted by human placenta? 4 options are there. HCG, that is human chorionic gonadotropin, estrogen, progesterone, and D, luteinizing hormone. So option D is the correct answer, because luteinizing hormone is secreted by pituitary gland and not human placenta. So human placenta secretes these 3 hormones: human chorionic gonadotropin, estrogens and progesterone. But luteinizing hormone is not secreted by human placenta, it is secreted by pituitary. Question number 18. The vas deferens received duct from the seminal vesicle and opens into urethra as ejaculatory duct. So correct option is B, that is ejaculatory duct. When vas deferens receive duct from seminal vesicle and open into urethra, so here see this is urethra and this is vas deferens. This is vas deferens here. This is seminal vesicle and this is duct of seminal vesicle. So when vas deferens receive seminal duct from seminal vesicle, then it open in the urethra. So see this is urethra, this is urethra, so it open in the urethra as ejaculatory duct. So this part is called as ejaculatory duct. So B option is correct. Next, next question. Question number 19. So here option B is correct. 19. Urethral meatus refers to the urinogenital duct, opening of vas deferens into urethra, C, external opening of urinogenital duct, and D, muscles surrounding the urinogenital duct. Here option C is correct and option C is external opening of urinogenital duct. External opening of urinogenital duct is called as urethral meatus. Next question, question number 20. Morula is a developmental stage. Option A, between the zygote and blastocyst. B, between blastocyst and gastrula. C, after implantation. D, between implantation and parturition. So here correct option is A. Morula is a developmental stage between the zygote and blastocyst. B option, between the blastocyst and gastrula, it is a wrong option because morula get convert into blastocyst and then implantation takes place, and at the simultaneously when implantation takes place, gastrulation also takes place. So after implantation, gastrulation takes place, and after gastrulation, organogenesis